Let's jump, let's clap, it's ABC time. Sing each letter with a word and a rhyme from A to Z. We're ready to go with Baby Melon. We learn and grow. A is for apple, red and round. B is for butterfly flying around. C is for car, beep beep zoom. D is for duck, quack quack in the room. E is for egg in a little shell. F is for flower with a lovely smell. G is for goat with a silly face. H is for horse running a race. I is for ice cream, cold and neat. J is for juice, so fruity and sweet. K is for key, click, click in the lock. L is for light, shining on the clock. M is for moon, way up high. N is for noodles, yummy to try. O is for owl, woo-hoo at night. P is for pizza, a cheesy delight. Q is for quilt, soft like a hug. R is for rain, drip, drop on the rug. S is for star, twinkle in space. T is for train, chugging in place. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for van, turning left and right. W is for water, splash in the pool. X is for Xmas tree, sparkly and cool. Y is for yak, fuzzy and fun. Z is for zebra, ready to run. You did it! Hooray! You sang it easy, so many words and sounds with me. Clap your hands, shout hip hip hooray. We'll sing again another day.
Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray!